Signs your pancreas is in trouble and how to heal it naturally. We've already talked on the channel about several organs of our body and the importance of keeping them healthy. But between all them, we have not made a video about this one, the pancreas. This organ has an important role in the endocrine system, and it's responsible for producing insulin, and in the process of food digestion because it is the organ that produces digestive enzymes. Located behind the stomach in the upper abdomen, its function is to help with digestion of fats and carbohydrates that we ingest using the pancreatic juice. These secretions are essential for the proper digestion and processing of food. Any failure in this process will cause poor digestion and, consequently, poor absorption of nutrients. Did you know that some diseases cause the pancreas to shrink or even lose its ability to produce digestive enzymes and hormones? Cystic fibrosis, diabetes, pancreatitis and cancer may be caused by insufficiency, inflammation or malfunction of the pancreas. Today we're going to talk about pancreatitis. According to the gastroenterologists, there is a cure for pancreatitis, if treated early and adequately. Treatment usually requires intravenous fluids, antibiotics, and analgesics, as well as other medical procedures. However, you can try some natural remedies like apple cider vinegar, along with the medical treatment, to relieve pain and discomfort, for example. After starting the treatment, take care of your recovery. Eliminate alcohol and cigarettes from your life, change your diet, opt for low-fat foods, drink more fluids. Pancreatitis can cause dehydration, so it is important to drink more water throughout the day. In addition, you can maintain a healthy weight by having a balanced diet and practicing regular exercise.